Go ahead, buddy. Good boy. Come on, keep going. Yeah, go ahead. Keep driving. You do a great job, buddy. Hey, Eric, can you go backwards? Can you go backwards? Is that what you do when you get stuck? When you go back, do you go backwards when you get stuck?